Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Vantage, your channel for becoming a better version of yourself. Today, we've got an amazing video lined up, focusing on how to achieve clear and radiant skin with just 5 easy steps. If you're new here, consider becoming a part of our Vantage family by hitting that subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to help you improve and feel your best. And if you find these tips helpful, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Taking care of your skin is essential for anyone who values self-care. A good skincare routine can enhance your overall appearance and boost self-confidence. Contrary to the misconception that proper skincare is difficult and expensive, in this video, I'll show you how to achieve clear skin in just 5 easy steps. But before we get into those steps, it's crucial to determine your skin type. If you have acne, wrinkles, or other issues, your routine may need significant adjustments. Don't forget, proper nutrition is vital. Many skin problems can arise from a diet rich in junk food. To maintain a glowing complexion, reduce fried and processed foods in your diet. Additionally, excessive alcohol consumption can dehydrate your skin, leaving it dull and tired. With these points in mind, let's move on to the steps. If you're lucky to have normal facial skin, congratulations. However, it doesn't mean you should neglect it. You simply don't have any special requirements. To make your normal skin flawless, start with gentle cleansing, washing your face twice a day. Choose a neutral face wash in gel or foam form that cleans effectively without tightening your skin. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Choose a suitable cleanser based on your skin type, normal, dry, or oily. For normal skin, use a gentle face wash without harsh ingredients, washing twice a day. For dry skin, opt for creamy cleansers with oils, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid to retain moisture. For oily skin, select oil-free, non-comedogenic cleansers with ingredients like glycolic acid and zinc to control excess oil. Step 2. Nourishing toner or serum. Apply a toner or serum to further balance and prep your skin for better product absorption. For normal skin, use a water-based toner with natural ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile to soothe and hydrate. For dry skin, look for hydrating serums containing aloe vera, caffeine, or hyaluronic acid for instant and lasting moisture. For oily skin, opt for toners with witch hazel or salicylic acid to control oil production and minimize pores. Step 3. Moisturize. Moisturizing is crucial for all skin types, regardless of whether your skin is normal, dry, or oily. For normal skin, choose a lightweight moisturizing lotion with SPF for daily use and sun protection. For dry skin, opt for natural-based creams to lock in moisture, and consider using a weekly hydrating mask for an extra boost. For oily skin, use oil-free, water-based moisturizers containing hyaluronic acid or glycerin to hydrate without adding excess oil. Step 4. Weekly exfoliation. Incorporate weekly exfoliation into your routine to remove dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Select a gentle exfoliating scrub suitable for your skin type, normal, dry, or oily, to avoid irritation. Step 5. Hydration from within. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps maintain skin health and radiance from the inside out. Following these 5 steps tailored to your specific skin type will help you achieve clear, radiant skin and boost your overall appearance and confidence. Remember that a consistent skincare routine, along with a healthy diet and lifestyle choices, contributes to maintaining beautiful, glowing skin. And that's it for today's skincare routine for achieving clear and radiant skin, my friends. We hope you found these tips valuable and that they contribute to your journey of becoming a better version of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, be sure to join our Vantage family by subscribing for more tips and tricks to help you improve and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.